Hey guys, I wanted to share that Scentsy announced this week that on Monday, January 16th, they're gonna bring back the Walt Disney World 50th Anniversary Celebration Collection while supplies last. So I wanted to share two of the items that I have from the collection that I love. The first one is this Cinderella Castle Warmer. This is great for any Disney fan, any Disney lover. It's just a very nice collectible. It uses a 20-watt bulb and the warming dish is on the top, and that has the castle logo. This thing is awesome, you guys. And also coming back on Monday is the Scentsy brick in iridescent, they're calling it. Cedarwood, citrus, peony, and apple blossom. It smells amazing. So these are coming back on Monday, January 16th, while supplies last at 1 o'clock Eastern time. The brick is $26, the castle is $125. There's other parts of the collection too. There's some Scentsy buddies, Mickey and Minnie, but I just wanted to share that with you guys, and thank you for watching.